Hey guys, I picked up the Ruger 1022 for my Mannlicher 1022 project that I'm working on. And this just happens to be the 75th anniversary 1022. I think I mentioned in the previous video that I did go with the stainless steel version. And inside the box you get your typical owner's manual, and there's a lock underneath this part here. So let me get this box out of the way and we'll take a look at the rifle. Okay, so here she is. So you can see there is a yellow chamber flag in there, so it is unloaded and safe for handling. This has a nice walnut stock. You know, the wood grain is pretty much just straight. There's not a whole lot of character in the wood grain on this one, but I guess that really doesn't matter because it is going into a different stock. Let's see, this has a 18.5-inch stainless steel barrel, and that is a 6-groove 1/16 twist, right hand twist. This one, I noticed it does not have a barrel band. It does come with, you know, the sling attachments. It came with one 10-round magazine. And then everything else is, you know, pretty much the typical Ruger 1022. You have your screws on the top of the receiver here to mount the Picatinny rail. Well, the bolt says 75th anniversary on it. That's pretty much it. You know, the typical Ruger trigger. The little crossbolt type of safety, your typical Ruger sights. That's pretty much it. Now, I'm not going to install this in the Mannlicher stock just yet because I still need to repair those couple of little scratches that were on it when I received it. So the next video you will see it all put together with the BX trigger and the extended bolt handle and mag release and all the other goodies that I bought for it. So there it is, a quick look at the Ruger 1022 that will be going into the Mannlicher stock. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.